Hey guys, it's Andre and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. This week and, well actually last week we did kind of have a lot after like looking it over. This week I'm keeping it a little light because I really want to like spend some real hard time on getting the new shop ready. If you guys didn't hear, Etsy raised their fees almost double and also is charging 5% on shipping for the sellers. So we're going to be moving towards a Shopify. We're going to still have an Etsy shop open, but it's just going to have a very select amount of things. I can't obviously run two shops. Oh, and those select things will be higher in price to reflect the new fees, but I can't obviously run two shops even if I did just have one with all of the like the higher prices and stuff, just because it would be crazy. And I'm trying to work smarter, not harder. And I'm really excited for Shopify because Shopify, we'll be able to do rewards programs. We're going to be able to do email blasts for you guys. I'm going to be able to do the scribblers and everything all in one site because of the order filling process is so much more customizable. I'm going to do TN kits. Like everything will just be on the one site and it's just awesome. So this week we do have these 4 ultimate exclusive kits. I did do for the last set of like wizard kits, all mini kits. So this one I decided to do exclusive ultimate kits. Honestly was just going to do mini kits, but I figured because the last ones were mini that these ones should be ultimate. And we also had exclusive art. This art is available from Coffee Doodles, but she did draw this school scene, and then the girls are exclusive as well to me because they are all after a well, there's Jessica and Kirsten, and then this is just the color change, you know what I mean. But we wanted to do in our houses, and I'm a newly inducted into Slytherin, and I just thought that this was really cute. So let's go ahead and get into it. So oh, and also real quick, we will have 2 new activities for Scribblers coming up very soon. And also the new TN kits. Honestly, I want to get those up on the new site rather than Etsy. So that's why it's taking me a little bit longer. But I did do like a whole video setting it up and everything. So that should be up soon. So there is that. So first things first, you do have your munchkins. And then I love this. I think this is going to be great for fall. I feel like pastel... what was that called? Spells and Pastels was great for spring and summer, and I feel like this is great for, you know, more like, I think September would be the perfect time, but September or even November will be really pretty. I feel like October and December have like a lot of like Halloween, Christmas, but super cute. So this is obviously the green ambitious one, and I'm just calling these like magical plans green, magical plans blue, magical plans yellow, and magical plans red. So I just think this is so cute. It's very like planner girl. Like if you were a wizard but also a planner girl, this is kind of what your like life would look like. Then you have this page which has all of the deco, which everything is pretty much the same in these kits. It's just like the green items are switched out for red items or yellow items or blue items. You have the little scribblers that are wizards on the bottom here. This really cute bow with the pattern. Just super cute, and I love how dark and rich these colors are. You do have your cutout icons, your regular icons, your extra full box which has the Erin Condren planner, the stickers, and then the frap, which I just think is so sweet. Then you also have your functional page, which there is a light pattern in the background. I'll show you whenever we get to the ombre hair checklist. This does have the new like little glitter borders, which I have been loving. Then you do have your washi page, your solid washi page, and then here are those full boxes. You can see the pattern a little bit better. It's like a damask pattern. And then here is the bottom washi. So you have that faux bottom washi. I'll probably be pulling in some kind of simply gilded washi, probably, maybe, I don't know. Maybe the white and silver would be really pretty. But I just love it. I think it'd be pretty by itself. You have your extra washi and then your date covers. And all of these kits, like I said, are pretty much the same. Also, something I wanted to mention is we will have a small amount of I'm Not Bossy, I'm the Boss journaling cards. We do put journaling cards in with orders. We have been doing foiled ones. I have like thousands of them now in shop, so I don't know when we'll do like a non-foiled one. But I asked on Facebook, I think, if you guys preferred me to put them in the shop before or after, and you guys said you'd prefer me to put a small amount of them in the shop after, just so you can see if you would have got one in your order, which totally makes sense. So those will be in the shop on Friday as well. So, and that was like a blue card that in silver says, I'm not bossy, I'm the boss. But there'll be a picture of it. So this is the red edition, which is so pretty. I'm just going to flip through these pretty fast. Like I said, they're pretty much exactly the same, except for the house colors. So cute. Let me know what house you are in down below, or if you're not sure, you should definitely go take the quiz and see. So that is the Magical Plans red, and also have been loving the new kits. I'm so tired, honestly. I've had a long couple of days. So there's that. We have so much cool stuff coming out. I just finished today, what did I finish? Finished September Mystery and sent that to print, and another exclusive collection, sent that to print. I have art coming tonight that I'll probably send to print tomorrow, and then I also know there's a couple of people releasing art this week, so I know I want to do those as well. So then this, look, that looks exactly like Kirsten, like kind of like scarily to a T, exactly like Kirsten. Told Kirsten she got a little bit of like lip injections, but other than that, it looks exactly like Kirsten. I feel like hers looks the most like on point. I feel like I kind of want to use this for Kirsten's birthday. I don't normally like use any other kits, even for Nick's. Like I like, because their birthdays are in December, so they get totally gypped. I don't like using like any kits besides like Christmas ones, but I feel like if I start Christmas in like November, I might use this for Kirsten's birthday, because it kind of has like winter vibes. I feel like it works, do you know what I mean? Like, cause I mean, and it's Kirsten, so I feel like that would be the perfect time to use it. But then I'm like, do I use the rest of them? Like at some point too, or like, nah. Like, and then there's Jessica. So funny. I love her red, like her, not her red hair, her blonde hair. But yeah, but I wouldn't use this for Jessica's birthday because I feel like it's a little too dark for like me, in my opinion. Y'all do what you want to do though. And then this is the yellow one, which is so cute. I love the yellow, and Jessica looks adorable. So there's that one. So like I said, I wanted to keep it simple this week because I am working on the new shop. I'm hoping to have that ready for July. I'm hoping to have the new TN kit on it, like I said, just so I can have like a little practice round of how it's going to go. You guys can set up your reward system and everything like that and get started on those. So that's everything. Let me show you guys the matching glitter samplers and such. Also, Mystery is shipping out next week, I think, which that's so exciting. So there are the matching glitter, and then you do have the bows. And then you have the glitter and the bows. Might be even cool to like get them and like do like kind of like a little bit of a mashup. Then you have the red and the bows. I love the red still. Green's pretty though. And then you have the green with the bows. So that is everything for this week. Like I said, we will have the next TN kit up. I have it right here. I can show you. The next TN kit up. There is 2 vellums, 2 acetates. One of the acetate is silver foiled. There is 6 pattern papers. There's a custom bow clip, 4 black wide bow clips, die cuts, a sticky bow, which I'm obsessed with. There is lots of die cuts. There's double-sided journaling cards and tabs. So you have a lot of stuff in there this month. And next month is even more intense. I'm so excited for everything to come in. And this will be up sometime this week, I'm hoping. But that's everything for this week. Let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments down below. Also, let me know what house you are. I feel like there's a lot of Hufflepuffs. Whenever I do like the last house kit, there's mostly Hufflepuffs. I think it was like Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, and then these 2 were kind of like tied for last, or maybe it was these 2 were tied, I don't know. But I'll let you guys know which sells more, so we know which representative of, I don't even know what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? Like what percentage, what's the highest percentage of scribblers are what, based on the buying of the kits. I don't know. I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.